Hi, Jamaican Shore Fishing. So, guess what? YouTube, you know, anything having to do with seafood, Jamaican Shore Fishing is in it. So I'm here with a special guest tonight. This is Who's Herbie, who's joining me tonight. I'm going to link up, we're going to grab some food tonight, guys. And then tomorrow we're going to shoot out on a fishing adventure. So we're going to start this video off like this, guys. So stay tuned, we'll look at our fish real quick and pick our fish out. Check it out.
Absolutely.
All right?
Yes, sir. So we get to pick, I get to pick what I want, huh?
Alright, bro. This is it. We're about to mash up some escabeche, fried parrotfish, and then we got General over there. We're ready to mash up feet.
Ready to mash up, baby.
Rory's back there chilling, but she don't want to be on camera tonight, guys. So stay tuned. We're about to eat some of this awesome food. Wait for the bammy to arrive, so stay tuned. Okay, guys. So just got the bammy, meat, the cassava, bammy, and fish. Mash up, mash up. Well, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna eat some food. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. That's what's up. Outside. Hey guys, so we stopped off and had a banging meal a while ago. Just ate some good food. Who's Herbie's here? He's here with me. He's getting some shots, a few interviews, guys. Doing our thing, and we're just here, guys. Just ate up some awesome fish. So stay tuned. Tomorrow is another day. We're gonna be on the road tomorrow. We're gonna be hitting up some nice spots, me and Herbie, and we're gonna be doing it. Jamaican Shore Fishing status. You know, as long as it has to do with seafood or fishing, we have something to do with it. So stay tuned. We're at the Far Out Fish Hut, guys. Make sure if you're here in St. James, jump in Far Out Fish Hut, check them out, jump over and get some fresh fish and some conch, and trust me, all of that. All right, big up yourself outside. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you guys seen last night that I hooked up with Who's Herbie's channel. Who's Herbie is a travel vlogger. He does traveling all over the world and see different places and do different things, guys. And not only Who's Herbie's linking up today, but we also linking up with Brian. You guys know who Brian is, of course. Brian is Clark Legacy 876. So we're gonna be linking up with a few awesome channels today, guys. Stay tuned for that. Who's Herbie? I'm picking him up at his hotel now. Moves and do some cook-ups and whatever we're gonna do. You know what I'm saying, guys? So we're just grabbing him, and then we're gonna roll, meet up with Brian, and do our thing. All right, stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. All right, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Bless up yourselves, guys. And I told you we're gonna link up. The adventures continued from last night, and we're here. We're linking up with Who's Herbie, and Who's Herbie's here.
Who's Herbie here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, with my brother Jamaican Shore Fishing. Today's fishing day, baby. All right, and I'm hoping we catch a big one, Jerry, because I've seen some of the ones you take sometimes. All right,
we hook
up. So bless me today, my brother. What's up?
We'll hook up, guys. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. You know how Jamaican Shore Fishing get down. Let's go get it. We excited. We amped up. We're ready. So we came out with both the rods, and we got the bow today, guys. We got the compound bow today. Bow fishing at the best. I seen some fish yesterday and the day before. We're gonna make at them, see if I can pick them up this morning. All right. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Look, they're pulling a net. Damn, man.
Oh, they had a net there.
Where the hell they pulling that net from? That's not good. That's why we ain't catching no fish. These dudes are netting the shores, man. They got a whole cedar net out there, and they net the shores.
So they let it sit out at night?
Yeah, bro. They do that shit at night, and they just clean up the goddamn place. So when you come here fishing in the morning, you're not catching shit. That's sad. That goddamn got a net from the boat all the way around and got divers in the middle of it.
I'll tell you, it don't make no sense of stuff.
No, they scared away all the fish already. It don't make no sense. So look, the dude's got a boat in his seat. Look, they got in a middle swim. Yep, netting all the way to the coast, yo, from out there. Look how much space they. Yeah, but look at the space they got at sea, bro.
What we see in here so abnormal is how we lift the fish. So
yeah.
They're probably here sitting while we're not here. Anyway.
Yo, these dudes are disgusting, bro.
Terrible, man.
Disgusting, bro.
Not like a complaint for early, man.
No. I haven't had coffee yet, Brian. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's go find our spot. Brian, we know what we're hunting for. This was just a kill time for us. Come on, Herbie, we heading to that spot. We heading to the right spot. Come on.
Going to another spot?
Yeah, these dudes are netting from the boat all the way around, and they got dudes in
right,
this.
right.
So it's like they scared off the fish already. Brian's like, why the hell did you even stop here? But it was just to wait on them, that's all. At least I was able to cast some line.
I don't see about that.
No, I just stopped here because it was easier for parking fishing. We got Who's Herbie with us, and trying to make sure we get a clear spot to cast today. Brian gave me a spoon lure. I want to make sure everything's locked and sealed, and we're good. So let's see if we can grab something this morning. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. See what's up, guys. Anything yet, Brian? No chases? I don't see nobody chasing for real. We're on good timing, right? Yeah, but I'm not seeing anything chase. Herbie, see, what we're trying to do, we come to these spots that not really, humans don't really come to. The goal is to head to that building right there. There's a beach behind it. So that's where we're aiming for. Do you eat stuff like conch? Do you eat conch?
I do. I love it.
Okay, good. Brian too. You and Brian are good friends then.
Oh man.
Hey, Brian.
I would eat that over a fish.
Brian, he's saying love conch. Yeah, me say you and Brian are good friends then. Yeah, they're right here.
Yeah.
There are a whole bunch of them, bro.
I would definitely prefer that over eating a fish.
Yeah.
Yep.
Here, Brian, no. Right, you're talking Brian's music.
I'm talking his music.
That's one of Brian's favorite. Anbara. All right, Brian, man, I moved on. We're gonna hunt, bro. Oh, you gonna walk the lower side? Isn't this where I jumped down last time? Oh yeah. This way I jumped down last time. And this way we bumped into the lionfish. All right, Herbie. All right, here's what's up. On the end of this wall, right here, there's a side where you can come down easier than here. If you
guys are going down?
Yeah, we're going down. So
You going down this way?
yeah, I'm gonna jump here and then jump down.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to take that chance. That's kind of tricky. I'd rather you not.
It is kind of shaky.
Yeah, I don't want you to hurt your ankles or nothing. You're kind of big dude to carry out.
All right, let me see if I can make
Yeah, I'm gonna walk the lower side with Brian because I'm gonna look those conch for you. Yeah. Oh shit, he got to come down with us, Brian. Right? Brian. Yeah, he has to climb down right there by the wall. Yeah, man, just walk up, Herbie. Walk up that side and then there's a wall that you have to come down right there. Right behind the end of the wall, you come down. You'll see the big rock below it. Just take your time, bro. No rush. Ah, damn. Take your time, Herbie. Don't rush. You see where the wall fell off right there? You're gonna see a tree coming down. You could climb down from there. It's easier. All right, that's how we did see them last time. Whole heap. You see the lionfish?
High tide, there's a high tide there and there.
No man, a low tide then they there.
Oh, high tide. With all them grass and the float around.
Oh shit, Herbie can't climb down there.
No, I can go this way.
No, but how is he gonna get around? Brian.
Yeah, man, I've done that way.
Huh?
I've done that way to get around.
Yeah. So he has to come around. So go up. Continue walking up a bit. Continue walking up a bit. There's another way down, but this you can't because you'd have to walk in water here. Herbie, we have speedy dry gear.
I know.
We have gears that dry as we come out the water, the gears dry up. Brian, look out for your octopus them. Come with all this load in here and these King Conk is not here. You don't see no lionfish. This is crazy. Stop recording. Hey, that piece of bamboo they frightened me, your fault. Me think that turkey push up in your head in front of you, you know? I'm like, I looked around, I'm just saying bamboo. Yeah. They're being here feeding, bro. That's their style. I'm surprised the spoon lure ain't pick up nothing yet. I don't even see the lionfish anymore, and that's what I brought this for, was for the lionfish. Eh? Hold this, Herbie. Herbie, hold this. Hold this to me. Eh? He's in the box. All right, give me a second. Watch him. Trying to get this arrow cleared off the string. Hold on, Brian. I'm coming. Eh? Me have on my glasses too. Just watch him, Brian. Watch him. Don't make him get away. Hold this, Herbie. Herbie, hold this to me. Just grab this real quick. All right, guys. Damn it. This ain't something where you're rushing. I don't have the string on it, Brian. I don't think he's gonna be able to swim with my arrow. Where? Oh shit.
Get him. Got him? Oh, missed him. Missed him. What a...
God damn.
Where ain't going now?
Hold this, Brian.
Yeah, nah, I go see him again, you know.
He's there. He's right in front of it. I definitely don't want him to bump into me for sure.
Mess up the water, man. Nah, just...
See him there in front. Let him that I move. Outside that dirty water right there. The yellow, orange up there.
Oh, that's on there. Probably gone past you.
Where? He was right on the right here a while ago.
One that's little one and I sitting here. On the well small though.
Where was this one at? This one may I look for?
Come on, make the water clear.
That's why I'm not moving. I think I hit that trigger prematurely too quick a while ago. Brian, you don't see him again? Hold on a second, Herbie. I'm trying to get this fish, and the friggin' fish, I messed up the water. Brian, I swore that's what I seen going that way. You know? All right, we lost it.
Don't unload it yet still, man.
Eh? Yeah. How the hell did I miss that shot though? Sorry about that, guys. I had a bow and I shot after a lionfish and totally missed the damn shot. So you got away from me, Herbie. Yeah. I missed the shot, bro. Almost got my phone wet in the process. I dead up missed the shot. I missed him, went right through a plastic bottle.
I noticed.
I'm like, damn, bro. I'm gonna cast out while I'm walking. Just walk the side and go up. Yeah, man, you're gonna go over that bush and go around. Yeah, you're gonna have to step over that.
Yeah.
Oh shit, Herbie.
It's alright.
You got hit? Huh? You what? Stingray? Oh, you got him right there? Big one? Yeah, we have to walk the sides. You have to walk the side. You alright, Herb? Alright, cool. Fish on? Oh, long jaw. Long jaw. Long jaw only does that shit. Of course more get eaten. Bumbuckler. Got another one, bro. Yeah.
Another one?
Another conch. Conch for lunch. We looking for them. No luck with the fish, but we getting conch. Me know, man, I feel it already. Hey Brian, you seen these mangroves? We're supposed to be able to find all oysters up on the tree limb, them, you know. See, this fence is what we were trying to go around.
Oh, I see.
Huh? Who that crab? You're not in the broad daylight like this, Brian. Alright, bro. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go that way. Follow Brian. Yeah, that's not good on your back as being your size, bro. Let's say creme de creme. This is crazy. Big ass sinkhole right here. Hold on. Follow Brian. And then we'll go up from there. There's a road up top, but it's bushed up. Eh? Me not hear you. Come here, come man. Go on the road. Here, Herbie, those are thorns. Watch yourself.
Watch it, watch it.
I got it. I'm good. I'm good. Just go ahead. Herbie, you can't cut bamboos. Just push it one side and go through. They're dry. And you won't be able to handle it with that machete. Less chopping you do, the better fish. Raw size crab down here, brother. Herbie, watch you. Hold on to the trees and walk up this, alright?
Okay.
Bro, when you're done with this, you're gonna feel good.
It's a good workout, man. I need to work out.
You're gonna feel good. This is it.
Good workout.
Go get your leg workout.
Yeah, your leg workout is gonna get in this today, for real. Abs, legs. Yeah. Cardiovascular.
Oh shit!
Brian sliding down.
Slide halfway back down the hill.
I got it on camera too. I got it on camera too, bro. Sure fishing. Remember that last bar I didn't catch up here, guys? This is where I missed him at. Let's see if we can get him this time again. Cold Mosquito Cove, and not one friggin' bite since this morning. Came out this morning, guys. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's going on with the water this morning. I don't know if there's too much net guys that I'm seeing in the water today. I don't know. So I'm gonna switch this lure off real quick, and one more try with you, and that's it. One more shot with you, and that's it. Change off lures. Fish on. Bumbo clot. Bugger got away a while ago. Oh here? Now forward. The hook on for sit and look while and get where. One barra. One barra up here, bro. Me a forward, Brian. Give me a minute. I want barrel me a make after right here, Sir Brian. Oh! Fucking shit, man. Fuck you. Just lost another four, guys. Holy shit, man. Oh. And that stupid barrel. Brian! Brian! Yo, hurry! I'm tying up back. Give me a minute. One big barrel there up here. Fuck you up right now, nigga. Black, white belly. I said there's a big barracuda up here. He hit my line twice. And missed. And then I got caught on a tree with one of my lures. So what I'm doing right now, I was tying up a new rig and trying to get hooked up. I'm talking, this is like a 5-pound barrel. Yeah. So I'm trying to get him right now. So let's hope I can get him. He ain't going for it. Now follow Brian. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Ooh, he got away. He got away. Messing around with a goddamn barrel. He got away a while ago, guys. Had a nice barrel on my line just now, guys. Ooh, battery's dying. That's why I had to like. Nice barrel got away from me a while ago, guys. Nice barrel, guys. Oh my God, guys. Ooh, this is bad for me today. Yeah, guys, so after I just hooked onto that goddamn barracuda a while ago and it got away from me, I don't even know if I even got the damn footage. I'm that upset about it too right now. Hooked onto a nice barrel a while ago, guys, and he just basically tore me off. And he didn't get hooked good. Wasn't a good solid hookup, you know. Ooh, fish on. I got you. I got you this time. You're not getting away this time, buddy. Ooh. Leatherback. Leatherback. Brian hates catching these fish, so do I. Stay right there, buddy. Hang tight. Oh man, at least we didn't go back nail today. And let's head back to Brian and them. Yeah, we got ourselves a leatherback. No, I'm eating conch. So, shore fishing, my batteries on both my cameras are dead. So I have to be recording for my glasses now. That's where the back load of man. What is season there? Okay. You know?
That's it, man.
What?
Feel I'd use my seasoning, bro.
Alright, well, go use your seasoning. Well, use your seasoning then, damn it. Huh?
Why not your season? Mrs. Dash?
No, Maggie.
No, Maggie.
I hooked a big ass barrow over there a while ago, Herbie.
Yeah, you said
He got away, he broke off the lure. By the time I got him to shore, he just broke off.
It just broke off, huh?
I'm like, damn it, boy. You want a piece more, Herbie?
Oh, why not?
Take a piece out.
There we go.
Let me warm this up a bit right here. Warm this up. Want him warmed up.
Herbie love it, come, you know.
I do. I sure do.
Come nice, man. You start eating when you're hot.
Yeah.
You're gone by your business.
I was on the hunt, bro. I have to accomplish the mission of catching a fish.
I'm catching the fish, and
We agree.
Even though we foraged and got conch.
This kind of leather jacket, you have row too, you know.
Huh?
You have row too.
Okay.
Leather jacket on the fire. Yeah, and those from much of them flaming sticks and stuff, guys. Will burn. The things, the tail start burning.
Flippy already. Flippy.
Hot ash. So the ash trickle.
Yep. Got a fish, finally. Finally. Jerry guaranteed me. He said, Herbie, we're going to catch something. I'm telling you.
I hooked two fish today and they got away, man. Two nice fish, big fish.
One this one.
He grabbed the lure and let go. And then this one I hooked him for sure with a spoon lure. Had him coming in. Drag was too loose. I went to tighten up, drag and break off. Alright guys, so that's it for the day. Adventure, battery's dying. Herbie's getting ready to head in, get some food and stuff.
Yes, sir.
And get some sleep from walking so much. He got a lot of exercise today. And I'm sure he lost about 20 pounds.
I did. I 30.
So, yo, stay tuned for the next epic adventure, guys. Me and Clark Legacy 876. Who's Herbie, guys? Make sure you go over to the channel and please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here.